Under, you get all the margarita stuff ready.
All right. His keys are in the drawer. You know what? Also, I need some cash.
Okay, you want me to stop the meeting?
Hey, did you guys know that your oven doesn't work?
But the drawer full of takeout menus is okay, right?
Ross, I'm gonna use yours, okay?
You got your passport?
Yeah, my third drawer in my dresser. You don't want to lose that.
Oh, there it is.
I'm so sorry.
Look what I found in the drawer. And you said I'd never wear this.
Now that I entangled you, how about you do a little something for me?
In English vocabulary we will learn the word, drawer. It means, a sliding, lidless, horizontal compartment, as in a piece of furniture, that may be drawn out in order to gain access to it. Also means drawers, used with a plural verb. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce drawer, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the first syllable, corresponding to drawer for 1, 2, draw. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how drawer is used in real life.
Yeah, my third drawer in my dresser. You don't want to lose that. But the drawer full of takeout menus is okay, right?
What if the baby gets into the ribbon drawer?
See, the drawer actually goes in my dresser. Your brand new drawer.
What if there's no room for a ribbon drawer because the keys are in the drawer? You know what? Also, I need some cash.
Okay.
Look what I found in the drawer.
So you're saying they just slid out of your body?
You can put your sad little muffin back in its drawer.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.